Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Day of Dragons. To begin your journey, you will choose from several unique dragon species, each possessing distinct abilities and growth stages. It is crucial to understand your dragon's fundamental needs, such as hunger, thirst, and stamina, to ensure its survival. You will navigate a vast, open world, discovering safe havens and vital resource locations. Mastering basic controls for movement and interaction is your first step. Survival is key in Day of Dragons. You must constantly seek out food, either by hunting smaller creatures or foraging for edible plants to keep your dragon fed. Hydration is equally important, so always be on the lookout for fresh water sources. Finding a safe spot to rest is vital for recovering health and stamina. Your dragon will grow and evolve by accumulating experience points through successful survival and completing various in-game tasks. Combat is an integral part of the dragon world. Utilize your dragon's specific attacks and defensive maneuvers to overcome threats. Consider forming packs or herds with other players. This collaboration offers significant advantages in hunting and defense. Effective communication through various vocalizations is essential for coordinating with your group. Always be prepared to defend your chosen territory from aggressive rival dragons and other environmental dangers. For advanced players, mastering complex movement, such as precise flight and efficient gliding, opens up new possibilities. Explore every corner of the map to uncover hidden areas and locate rare, valuable resources. Engage in server-wide events and community challenges to test your skills and earn rewards. Eventually, you can delve into the breeding system, creating new dragons and passing on desirable genetic traits and unique mutations to your offspring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.